92 million jobs will be eliminated by 2030. Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs globally are exposed to AI automation. McKinsey says 12 million Americans will be forced to switch careers entirely. Companies like Amazon, Accenture, and Dell have already cut over 50,000 jobs and blamed AI directly. But here's what nobody is telling you in their scary AI videos. The same forces that are killing some careers are making 5 other careers explode, and 3 of them don't even require a college degree. I spent weeks analyzing the data from the World Economic Forum, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, ISC2, McKinsey, and Goldman Sachs, and what I found completely changed how I think about career planning in the age of AI. At the end of this video, I'll help you figure out which one of these 5 is right for your specific situation. Important note, all salary data and growth projections in this video come from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the World Economic Forum 2025 Future of Jobs Report, ISC2 Workforce Studies, and verified industry sources. Individual outcomes vary significantly based on experience, location, effort, and market conditions. Nothing in this video is a promise of income or employment. This is educational career research. I've spent years helping over 2,000 people transition into new careers. I've watched people panic about AI and make terrible decisions. I've also watched people use this exact moment to position themselves in careers that are growing faster than ever. The difference between those two groups is not talent, it's not luck, it's information. The people who win during massive economic shifts are the ones who understand where the money is flowing before everyone else figures it out. So today, I'm going to show you the 5 career categories that every major economic report agrees are AI resistant, in massive demand, and projected to grow significantly through 2030 and beyond. And I'm going to be honest about what each one requires, because none of it is easy, but all of it is real. Before I give you the 5 careers, I need to tell you what most AI career videos get completely wrong, because if you don't understand this, you'll make the wrong move. Most people hear about AI taking jobs and they do one of 2 things. They either freeze and do nothing, or they panic and chase whatever sounds safe without looking at the data. Here's the biggest misconception that data contradicts. People think AI will destroy more jobs than it creates. Every single major report says the opposite. The World Economic Forum says 92 million jobs will be displaced, but 170 million new ones will be created. That's a net gain of 78 million jobs. In 2024 alone, research from the Information Technology and Innovation Foundation found that AI created roughly 120,000 direct jobs, while only about 12,700 were lost. That's nearly a 10-to-1 creation to destruction ratio. The real problem is not that jobs are disappearing. The real problem is mismatch. The people whose jobs are being eliminated are not the same people who can fill the new jobs being created. That's the crisis, not total jobs, the skills gap. And here's the other thing that most people get wrong. They think careers like graphic design and data analysis are safe. They are not. A major AI resistant study rated graphic design at only 48 on a 100-point scale, with a 48% automation risk. Basic data analysis is one of the most automatable white-collar tasks that exists. In entry-level software development, a Stanford study found that employment for software developers aged 22 to 25 has declined nearly 20% from the pre-AI levels. The careers that most people think are safe often are not, and the careers most people overlook are often the most protected. So what actually makes a career AI proof? After analyzing every major study, I found 4 things that every AI resistant career has in common. Pillar 1, emotional intelligence and human connection. Roles where empathy, trust, and real human relationships determine the outcome. Pillar 2, complex physical work in unpredictable environments. Every plumbing job is different. Every patient's body is different. Every building's wiring is different. AI needs controlled, predictable environments. These jobs are the opposite of that. Pillar 3, strategic judgment and creative problem solving. Not the kind of creativity where you generate a picture, the kind where you diagnose a problem that nobody has seen before and figure out a solution in real time. And pillar 4, legal and ethical accountability. Roles where a licensed human must sign off, accept liability, and exercise professional judgment. AI can't be held legally responsible. A licensed nurse can. A certified electrician can. A licensed therapist can. The 5 careers I'm about to show you score high on all 4 pillars, and every single one of them is protected to grow significantly through 2030. Now let's get into it. Career number 1, skilled trades. I'm talking about electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, and elevator mechanics. Let me hit you with some numbers. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, electricians have a median salary of $62,000 per year, with the top 10% earning over $106,000. Elevator mechanics, the median is $106,000 a year, with top earners clearing $150,000 a year. And these careers are growing 5 to 9% through 2034, which the BLS classifies as faster than average. Right now, there are over 1 million skilled trade jobs sitting unfilled across the United States. For every 5 baby boomers retiring from trades, only 2 younger workers are entering to replace them. 40% of the entire skilled trades workforce is expected to retire within the next decade. And here's the part that connects directly to AI. AI doesn't replace electricians. AI needs electricians. Every data center running ChatGPT, every server farm powering Google's Gemini, every cloud computing facility requires massive electrical infrastructure that a human being has to build, maintain, and repair. Data center capacity is projected to nearly triple by 2030. The BLS projects 81,000 electrician openings every single year for the next decade. And the entry barrier, a high school diploma and apprenticeship. You start earning from day one. Think about this. A first-year union electrician apprenticeship in Ohio brings home roughly $56,000 a year in wages and benefits. Over the full apprenticeship, you earn approximately $270,000 total while learning. Meanwhile, the average college student takes on $40,000 to $50,000 in debt and earns nothing for 4 years. One person is getting paid to learn a skill that AI can't touch. The other is paying to learn skills that might be automated before they even graduate. Oh, and the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, the Inflation Reduction Act, and the CHIPS Act are collectively creating roughly 3 million jobs per year. 69% of those jobs are available without a bachelor's degree. The trades aren't a backup plan. They are a strategic career move. Career number 2, cybersecurity. The Bureau of Labor Statistics report that information security analysts earn a median salary of $124,000 a year, with 29% growth projected through 2034. That makes it one of the fastest growing occupations in the entire economy. But here's the number that really tells the story. According to ISC2's 2024 workforce study, there are 4.8 million unfilled cybersecurity positions globally. The workforce gap grew 19% in a single year, and 59% of organizations said they have critical cybersecurity skills shortages on their teams. Now, here's the part that most people miss. AI doesn't replace cybersecurity professionals. AI creates more cybersecurity jobs. Think about that. Every AI system a company deploys is a new target for hackers. Every ChatGPT style tool creates new attack surfaces that need protecting. AI-powered cyber attacks are faster, more sophisticated, and harder to detect, which means companies need AI-savvy human defenders more than ever. AI security is the #1 most needed skill in the field, with 41% of organizations reporting that need. The average cybersecurity salary in the United States is $147,000 a year, according to ISC2's data. That's up 23% since 2021. And at the executive level, cybersecurity leaders average over $215,000 a year. The entry pathway is one of the most accessible on this list. The Google Cybersecurity Certificate costs $49 a month, takes 3 to 6 months, and prepares you for the CompTIA Security Plus. Total investment to become job ready is under $1,000. The realistic time frame from starting to landing an entry-level role is about 12 to 18 months. No degree required, though it does help in the long term. Quick question, out of those first two, skilled trades or cybersecurity, which one surprised you more? Drop it in the comments. I try to read every single one, and it helps me figure out what to cover next. Now, before I show you the next 3 careers, I want to explain why all 5 of these are exploding at the same time, because it's not just one thing, it's 5 forces hitting at once. 1, AI cannot replace the core work in any of these fields. 2, 10,000 baby boomers are turning 65 every single day, creating massive retirement gaps. 3, federal legislation is pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into infrastructure, chips, and clean energy. 4, demographics are increasing demand, an aging population, a mental health crisis, a digital infrastructure boom. And 5, the pipeline of new workers entering these fields cannot keep up with demand. When all 5 of those forces hit the same careers at the same time, those careers don't just survive, they explode. And the next 3 careers that I'm about to show you are sitting at the center of all 5. Career number 3, hands-on healthcare roles. I'm talking about registered nurses, physical therapists, occupational therapists, and dental hygienists. Registered nurses have a median salary of $96,000 per year, according to BLS data. Physical therapists earn a median of $101,000 a year. Occupational therapists earn $98,000 a year, and dental hygienists earn $94,000 a year. Growth rates range from 5 to 19% through 2034, with occupational therapy assistants growing at 19%, which is significantly faster than average. But here's the statistic that should make you pay attention. Nursing schools turned away over 80,000 qualified applicants last year, not because students don't want to be nurses, because schools don't have the capacity to train them. Meanwhile, the BLS projects 190,000 registered nurse openings plus 55,000 licensed practical nurse openings every single year through 2034. That's not a jobs problem, that's a pipeline problem. And why is AI not replacing these roles? Because every patient's body is different. Physical therapy requires literal human hands on a human body. A nurse makes split-second judgment calls during emergencies that no algorithm can replicate. There is no robot that can hold someone's hand during a panic attack. AI handles paperwork, humans handle patients. The fastest entry, a 2-year associate degree in nursing, costs $10,000 and $40,000 and leads to a median salary of $93,000. Dental hygiene takes 2 to 3 years for a median of $94,000 a year. Physical therapy requires 7 years total, but the demand and salary reflect that investment. Career number 4, AI and machine learning engineers. This is what I call the arms dealer positioning. The people who build, deploy, and manage AI systems are the most AI-proof professionals on earth. They're not competing with AI, they are building it. The numbers on this career are unlike anything I've seen in any industry. According to industry salary data, the average AI engineer salary crossed $206,000 in 2025. That's a jump of roughly $50,000 in a single year. Senior AI scientists at leading labs report total compensation between $300,000 and $600,000 a year. AI and machine learning hiring grew 88% year over year. These positions are growing 300% faster than traditional software engineering roles. Now, I have to be honest, this is the highest barrier career on this list. Most roles require a computer science degree plus specialized training in machine learning, Python, TensorFlow, or PyTorch, and cloud platforms. The timeline for starting to employment is typically 4 to 6 years or more, but there's an adjacent path. AI safety and ethics specialists have seen a 45% salary increase since 2023. Organizations need people who can audit AI for bias, ensure compliance, and understand limitations. If you are analytical and skeptical by nature, That skepticism is becoming a highly valued qualification. Career number 5, what I call the human connection economy. Mental health counselors, social workers, substance abuse counselors, and special education professionals. This career category is growing at 19% through 2034. That's 3 times the national average for all occupations. It's one of the top 20 fastest growing job categories in the country. 9 out of 10 American adults say we are in a mental health crisis, and the demand is accelerating. The median salaries are lower than the other careers on this list. $53,000 for counselors, $61,000 for social workers, but here's what the median doesn't show you. Licensed counselors with 10 or more years of experience, especially in private practice, report earning $80,000 to $135,000. The ceiling keeps rising and the job security is extraordinary. Why is this career AI proof? Because the therapeutic alliance, the relationship between therapists and patients, is the single most important factor in whether therapy works. AI can screen patients and transcribe notes, but AI cannot sit with a human being in their darkest moments and help them find a reason to keep going. That requires a real person. So how do you decide which of these 5 careers is right for you? Here's how I think about it. If you don't have a college degree and you want to start earning as fast as possible, look at skilled trades. You can begin an apprenticeship with a high school diploma and earn from day one. Or look at cybersecurity. Total investment is under $1,000 and the timeline from start to entry role is 12 to 18 months. If you have a degree and want long-term stability with strong job security, look at healthcare or counseling. The training is longer, but the demand is being driven by demographics that aren't going away for decades. If you are already technical and want the highest earning ceiling, look at AI and machine learning engineering. The salaries are unlike anything else in the job market, but the barrier to entry is the highest on the list. If you want the complete career path for any of these 5 paths, including which certifications to get, which employers are hiring, and the exact step-by-step plan from where you are to where you want to be, I put all that inside the Heights on Patreon. Link is in the description. And I need to be clear, joining the Heights or any community does not guarantee you income, employment, or success in any career. Your outcomes depend entirely on your effort, your qualifications, market timing, and factors nobody can control. What the Heights provides is the research, the strategy, and the community, so you have a real plan. AI is going to change everything about how we work. That's not a question. The only question is whether you position yourself on the right side of that change. The people who thrive over the next 5 years won't be the ones who ran from AI. They'll be the ones who understood where AI can't go and built their careers there. The data is public. The paths are clear. The only variable is what you do next. This is Antoine Wade, and keep climbing, and we'll see you in the next video.